Hey guys, today I just wanted to share a quick grocery haul that I did before we get into the refrigerator and the pantry organization. I just wanted to stack up on a few snacks, a few extra things that I was running low on. I really haven't been buying a lot of extra snacks for the kids or drinks just because of the prices. They've just been so high, and I've kind of been going without all of that extra stuff, but I decided to go ahead, grab a few things along with some of the fresh items that we needed for the week that we always buy, like the grapes and the fruit and the yogurts, that kind of thing. I wanted to bring you along today to clean out this fridge, get it reorganized. It's actually a brand new fridge. We've had it for less than a month. So I'm still getting used to like how I'm going to organize it and what I actually want to do. I've only bought a couple of containers so far for it, just because I want to really just get the feel and figure out the best way to do it. So we'll just clean it out today, reorganize it a little bit, and restock the rest of the pantry. I wash all the produce in a mixture of water, vinegar, and baking soda just to make sure that they're extra clean. So the fridge that we bought is actually a little bit smaller than I wanted. I did want a larger fridge, but it just wouldn't fit in the kitchen. And in order to make it fit, I would have had to lose two cabinets, and I just couldn't lose that space. But I'm actually finding that I have plenty of room in this fridge. We typically buy like the same things every week, so I'm able to fit all of those things. I have plenty of room for all of the leftovers. I have plenty of room to like pull out meat the night before if I want to. So I am making it work, and I actually love this fridge. It just took a little bit getting used to and just realizing that I just didn't need something bigger, even though I thought I did. All right, so I've had this pantry now for a few months and I just want to kind of restock it. Honestly, due to all the grocery prices, I really haven't been buying like a ton of snacks or anything. They're just too expensive right now, but I did go ahead and pick some up yesterday because it's been a few months and I figured I would grab a few snacks for the kids. So here's what it looks like now. Like I said, those bins have been empty for a little while. I figured we'd give it a shot and stock up again. I just told the kids not to eat the snacks too fast because I'm not going to be buying them as often as I used to. So we'll kind of get this reorganized, repackage a few things. Another thing that I do is I keep a lot of my back stock in a different place in the house. I have a different pantry set up for like the bulk items. So what I do is I go down and kind of pull from those items to restock up here so they're easier to access. And when I buy new stuff, I put that downstairs, and it's just a way to ensure that I'm actually using the first in, first out rule. It just makes sure that we're not using the new stuff that I just bought first as opposed to the stuff that's already been there. So I like to keep it rotating through. So I went down and picked up a few of these things from the basement, and I'm going to stock them in this pantry. If you don't have a large walk-in pantry but are looking for a pantry in your kitchen, I would definitely recommend looking into getting one of these. It's really made such a huge difference in the organization, in the way that I'm able to do things in a small kitchen. There are 5 of us, and I really like that I don't have to go into a different room anymore or a different part of the house just to get the basic staples that we use on a regular basis. It's also allowed me to really keep better control of the snacks because in the past, they would all be in the basement. The kids would have free range, be able to go down there and take whatever they wanted. I wouldn't always know when they were empty or how much we were going through, but this way I'm able to tell them if it's not in the pantry, then you're not able to get it. If I restock the snacks, then that's when you can have them. And it gives me more control over how much money I'm spending, how much they're eating. And it just really makes everything in the kitchen a little bit more streamlined, and I absolutely love it.
I never see you happy. You always treat me badly. You say you always tired, and you're mad. Why don't you get a life and leave the blame behind? And I can't be without you. I never see you happy. You always treat me badly. You say you always tired, and you're mad. Why don't you get a life and leave the blame behind? And I can't be without you. What we made a plan. We
Thank you so much for watching with me today. I hope that you got a little bit of inspiration from this video. And if you'd like to see how my kitchen was before and how I actually moved everything from the cabinets into this pantry, I will leave that video linked, and I will see you guys soon. Take care.